And I tell myself I'd always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I will take the blame. You won't leave home. Say guys,
and further improve. As one of your teachers, I am excited to see the progress and growth that you have achieved over the past few months. I wish you all the best for your 40th day, and I look forward to see your presentation. Once again,
Then physically, emotionally, and financially.
To formally begin this program, may I request everyone to please stand and feel the presence of our Lord for the opening prayer, beginning by our church.
and please standing after that for the followed by the national